The ongoing debate between Exynos and Snapdragon processors has always sparked heated discussions among smartphone enthusiasts. Following a string of disappointments, Samsung delighted Galaxy fans by opting exclusively for Snapdragon chips in the Galaxy S23 series. However, this year, Samsung reintroduced Exynos chips in non-Ultra variants of the Galaxy S24. Although the Exynos 2400 represents a significant improvement over previous Exynos iterations, it still falls short of its latest Snapdragon counterpart. Further enhancements are necessary to bring Exynos chips up to par with Snapdragon processors. Rumors suggest that Samsung may take a bold step next year by exclusively using Exynos processors in the Galaxy S25 series. The Exynos 2500 is anticipated to be a remarkable advancement for several reasons. 1. Samsung reportedly formed a dedicated team to optimize its next-generation Exynos chip. 2. The upcoming Exynos chip is said to be specifically tailored for Galaxy phones. 3. It is expected to utilize Samsung Foundry's second-generation 3nm fabrication process. 4. The inclusion of the Cortex-X5 CPU core from ARM is rumored to surpass CPUs found in Apple's A/M series chips. These improvements promise significant enhancements to Exynos chips. However, the idea of the Galaxy S25 series exclusively featuring Exynos processors seems far-fetched. One obstacle is the potential increase in costs for Samsung, particularly in paying license fees/royalties to Qualcomm for CDMA network compatibility in North America. Additionally, Qualcomm has indicated securing orders from Samsung for future flagship phones during its earnings call. Even if the Exynos 2500 lives up to its rumored capabilities, it seems unlikely that Samsung will entirely abandon Snapdragon chips. Unless the Exynos 2500 matches or exceeds the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 across all aspects including CPU, GPU, modem, and power efficiency, Samsung might not exclusively adopt Exynos chips next year. Therefore, it's advisable to approach this rumor with caution. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.